Hello guys, my name is Hannah. I love animes and mangas and fashion and makeup, and if you are new to my channel, welcome, and I would say let's have some fun today. Okay, for today's video I don't know if it's a good or a bad idea, to be honest. Lately I'm watching really many animes, and the one anime that I really love right now is the anime Noragami. And to be honest, I'm really influenced by it, and I see the girl Hiyori and Nora with this beautiful bangs all the time, and to be honest, all the anime characters have mostly bangs, and so I get really influenced by it. Okay, you probably know where this video is heading. I really want to cut my bangs. I think about it all the time, but my hair is not naturally straight. I have really curly and frizzy hair, so in order to have bangs, I really have to style it all the time, and that's why I'm so hesitate to do it. But right now I think, okay, the weather is getting a little bit colder and maybe now I can justify to have bangs. Okay, let's do it. I searched for some bangs on Pinterest. I found some pictures that I really like. I think I really want to go for the really straight bangs, no shape whatsoever. I want really a straight cut, and to go over my under my eyebrows, and to frame the face I typed in bangs for round faces, and I saw really many pictures with a straight bang cut, and I actually really like it. I really wanted to have really long bangs and so that they disappear over time, and now I'm sitting here and want to do it all over again. That's my life. Okay, I'm not sure how much hair I want to use for the bangs, so I think I start to play around a little bit to get the right shape. Okay, I think I like it that way. I try to make a little triangle shape and to take enough hair but not too much to, yeah, frame my face. I have hairdresser scissors. You can buy this type of scissor really everywhere, and I would never cut my hair with home apply scissors or something like that. I really trust the hairdresser scissors the most. I want my hair to be, or I want my bangs to be really long, so I will start really long, longer than I think I should cut it, because I can always chop some more hair off, but it's hard to let it come back again. So yeah, I will be safe with this one, and that's the way. Oh my god. Okay, I think I start here. Okay, the first cut. I look like an emo girl. Yeah. Let's do the next cut. I think now I can go a little bit bolder, and I cut right here above my fingers. Okay, I think the length is really good so far, but I need to be careful now. I want to chop some more off, but now I have to really watch out that I don't overdo it. Okay, god. I'm so nervous, guys. I have hair all over my face. I need to think about the fact that I want to style them in the end. With my hair iron, I later on will bring some more structure in my bangs, so I really need to be careful to not do them too short, because I have to think about that fact as well. So I think the length is really good right now, and so let's start to make them even. My big bronzer brush will help me a little bit out right now. Oh man. I'm too sweaty right now. That's why it doesn't work, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's go on. I really like the length. I think it's not really even, so I have to cut a little bit more. But I try to not go any shorter with my hair. I think the length is really great. I did it a little bit shorter than I intended to, but it's okay. Bangs will grow really fast, so it will really fast reach the point that I like, and so it's alright. I will style my bangs right now, and after that I will be right back with a better looking face, because it's a mess right now and I'm sorry. So let's do it. So guys, here are my new bangs now. I really liking it, and it's something new. I think the bangs give my face a really new shape and a new form, and I liking it so far. It's not the first time that I have bangs, but it's really been a while, and so it's something completely new right now for me. I had some struggle to cover the middle part up, because the bangs always want to get again to the middle part, because I had the middle part for such a long time. So I needed to spritz it a little bit with water, but after that it was better, and it's not completely away, but it's definitely better than before. And yeah, I'm really liking it. It's a little bit shorter than I wanted, and a little bit stiffer because it's shorter. I want it a little bit looser, but to be honest, I'm not mad about it. I really liking it. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like my new look, and maybe you will give bangs also a go or not. Maybe this video convinced you to not doing it, and that's okay too. I really like my new bangs, and I hope we will see each other in my next video. Bye!